Kia ora, good morning, happy Tuesday. I am Mike from Markets and this is Kiwibank. Markets in a minute or so. Probably closer to 90 seconds, I guess. I don't know. We'll find out as we go along. Okie dokie, there wasn't really a lot in the way of data or economic events scheduled overnight, but there was plenty of chatter regarding US-China trade negotiations and a few new, maybe not so new, Brexit rumblings. Yeah, easy one first, Brexit. More of the same. Boris Johnson, he believes that his team have made sufficient concessions to resolve the Irish border issue and that the Brexit ball is now in the EU's court. The EU have reiterated that they aren't keen on playing that ball. No change. Really, the pound wobbled on all this back and forth. Or just back, given the ball wasn't returned. Yeah, using our analogy. Anyway, US-China. So yesterday morning we had word from China that they would be seeking to narrow the scope of their senior level trade talks with the US, set down for later this week. That statement caused a bit of undulating unrest for some markets, like the currencies of the Antipodes. The Kiwi and the Aussie, both off the pace overnight. In fact, the Kiwi was the worst performer of the majors that we normally talk about. Fun fact, if you include all the currencies that we don't normally talk about, then the Brazilian real, that was the absolute worst performer. Who cares? Yeah, for the Kiwi though, the dip, that took us back below the 63-cent mark, which is still a smidge below that this morning. Equities, right, European indices modestly higher. US majors, they were mildly lower on that China narrow story, but they did claw their way back into the green after some tentatively positive trade chatter from a couple of US officials. Okie dokie, I think that's about it. Yeah, happy Tuesday, ka kite anō.